شمبابا وبرونا وروخذ قدش العالمين آمين. قالت مكرسطة دبهرة من مدنخة قرياتي ومن البانوتا من كتاوة قديشة ومن بوشاقي وتشعيات تآوهات قديشة تعيت مدنخة وكل ملباني تعيتات شليخاية تي ولاية.
Chapter 3. God is eternal. Everything that exists must either be eternal or temporal. And everything temporal has a cause and maker. And time and maker must be pre-existent to it. But that the cause of all things is without cause, and that the creator of all things has no maker. Every right and unpredicted mind is assured of, because it is natural to judge. It follows then that the self-existence is the creator, and the eternal, interior to time, because he himself created time. Time is a reckoning of motions of bodies, and as we have already proved that he is the cause of these, therefore he is eternal, and without beginning. Now that which has no beginning can have no end, and must possess of two opposite extremes whatsoever in the most high, the most glorious, as truth, light, and life, must be the best, the wisest, and the almighty.